Hello, this is the demonstration of physics exam simulation. Uh, for the question 2, I have placed 4 island models on the screen. Let me show you. Press E and W to adjust E and S to adjust the camera. As you can see, there are 4 islands, and this thing is done in shader. If the value of y is less than or equal to 0, it turns the color of this vertex to blue. Is in which is here. For the second question, I have placed 20 bases on each island. Let me change the color so we can see properly. On each island, 3 bases are placed manually using manually placed. They are placed manually, and other 17 are placed procedurally using code. As you can see, on the top there are 3 models, and on the bottom there are 17. So these are placed manually and these are placed procedurally, counting 3% and 5% of its height and placing a diameter between them. Now for the fourth question, as you already saw, I have fired cannons with traces. Let me change. I've changed back color to black so we can see the demonstration. It is assumed that each base has 100 health, and as it is hit, 5% of his health is decreased and the redness is increased. If a pot goes dead, if it has 0 health, it turns to gray. So these island bases are not shooting at each other, they are shooting at different islands, as you can see, and at a point in time there are only 8 balls on the sky in the sky. As you can see, these upper bases and those lower bases are shooting uh, 2 different cannons, and as you can see, those cannon are shot one by one. So if this is a shooting a cannon, then this shoots a cannon, and if a base is dead, it cannot shoot cannon. So that is implemented. I couldn't figure out the zero end logic. So when a base finds a target, it only that cannon is locked on the target and it only shoots there. And I cannot show you this, but in my logic, if a pod comes in between the path of this shoot, it will also get the damage. So it doesn't like that the cannon which is hit on the island it takes damage. The damage is taken by all these bases which comes into the path. And I also put a logic that it will take a long time, so let me close this. I also put a logic for winning, which is on the main. So if only one island is left, which is a winner, if then which is not lost, then it all of its islands are turned into yellow. So that's it. This is the demonstration. Thank you.